Good morning and welcome back everyone, hope you're all well. So today I'm out on a little mooch and I thought I'd try out the DIY mini alcohol stove that I made the other day. There's a lovely morning mist today and the sun's just trying to burn it off now. Again, I'm up here in a field just up from where I live, so it's near to a main road, so apologies for the traffic noise that you may hear. I never knew this existed up here. All these years I've lived here. Let's go around and have a look. So there's no obvious way into this, but it's quite cool. There's quite a few windows as you would expect, so I may come back up here in some better gear, climb in there and do that on another video or whatever. But for now, actually, I think this is probably the perfect location to set up the alcohol stove here and have a brew. So I'm going to be using the mini alcohol stove that I made a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to use it with the Lixada spirit burner stand. I think this is probably a really good location, so let's put that in there. Put some fuel on. So I'm using methylated spirits. Now, I have got these lifeboat matches, so let's use these. And there we go. Too hot. Put the lid on. There we go. Got something new to try today, which I picked up in Chinatown. It's 315 original milk tea, and it looks as though it's loaded with sugar and milk already. So I thought maybe if it's okay, I can use these going forward just to cut down on, you know, the amount of stuff that you have to take. So if it's just a bag that's got everything in it, then great, but we'll give it a go, see what it's like. Okay, that's burning really nicely. Now I appreciate that this pot is slightly smaller than the actual stand, but it's fitting in there nicely, just tight, so one to remember for the future. Adapt. I will get you out. Right, so let's have a look what you get in this sachet then. Okay, so yes, here we go. One tea bag with milk and sugar. Now it says for a sweeter taste, leave it to brew for 3 minutes. For a less sweeter taste, 5 minutes. So 3 minutes today, I think. In we go. Okay. Didn't look great, but proof is in the pudding, as they say. Yeah. Don't think that's gonna get any stronger. Right, well, let's give it a go. It smells like really sweet tea. Really sweet tea. Mm. Do you know what though? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Hmm. Do you know what? Really impressed with this little stove. That worked really well. I'll put a link up there to the video where I created this, but glad I got out and had a real life test with it. Actually really buzzing from that tea. It's so sweet. But yeah, welcome anyway on this cold morning. Yeah, and also this great find. As I said, I'll put some proper gear on, or gear that I don't mind getting ripped up, and probably get in through there and have a little look. Maybe do that as another video. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors.